Hello everyone, welcome. Now you are watching my cooking TV, PNP Cooking TV. Today I am going to show you how to make the butter in home with using whipping cream. So how to make the butter in home? Let's start. First, now I am going to take heavy cream, yani whipping cream, 500 ml, then little ice, then bitter, only that's it. Now I am going to start the beat this milk. Beat until this is not coming the foam. It's almost done, but it's still not done. So you can see. Now you can see my butter almost done, because you can see here is water and butter is already split. So you can see. Okay. Finally, you can see my butter is almost ready. Now I am going to strain this, and I want to remove this water. Just this stuff. Remove. You can see this butter, homemade butter. Okay. Finally, this is surprise for you. See, this is my butter with whipping cream in the homemade style. If you not believe, just take this, then cut. Oof. See, this is for you. See, original butter. Can you believe? Yeah. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. If you like my video, just comment, and if you want to say something, then please comment. If you like my video, please give like. And if you want more video from my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Keep watching.
Oh man,
Badam, it was really amazing.
it is delicious.
Delicious, absolutely delicious. Amazing.
Either way.
Don't forget to subscribe PNP Cooking channel
Subscribe,
and
share,
like.
and like. Press the red button
Yes.
to get notifications all the time.